How to fix Valorant stuck and freezing on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant stuck and freezing on Windows 11. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix Valorant stuck and freezing on Windows 11, what you need to do is first of all open up settings. And once you open settings, go to the option called display. And once you go to display over here, you have to go to the option called graphics. And as you go to graphics, scroll down, and then here you'll find all these sorts of options over here. You might want to select the option called add an app. Just hit the option called browse, and then you should be able to browse to the applications where you've installed the Riot games or the Valorant folder. Once you've added those games, here you'll be able to see all apps section, and then you want to make sure to simply click on Valorant and then just make sure to increase its graphics performance. Then after that, you want to come back to the system tab, and then again you want to go to display. Once you go to display, here make sure that you choose to the recommended resolution over here, because if you set it to any of the other unrecommended ones, you might be facing that kind of issue. Now when you're playing Valorant and it simply closes the application, or it simply actually freezes and stuck and you cannot close it, you have to force restart. You don't need to do that. You can force shut down the application, and in order to do that, you have to press Alt and F4 on your PC. So just press Alt plus F4. For example, you can see I want to move the mouse cursor right, and I'll close this application by using the shortcut called Alt plus F4. When we click Alt plus F4, it is going to close any of the applications that are currently on our screen. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.